So either there's a snake below, but no, the birds are around, so I would assume it's not a snake, but something else. So there's a bunch of birds over there. What's going on, babies? Y'all dive down at it and I'll know where it is. Alright, Bullets walked over there, so they moved away. I see the painted bunnings. Hey, babies, I'm sorry. I know it. I don't like them either, whoever it is. Yeah, Bullets over here. Where is it? I'll get it. Yeah, I'll scare whatever it is. The Bullet's down the trail. That's where he goes potty. Isn't that a good boy? He don't go in the yard. Let's see what I see. Oh, I see what it was. It was a Dern hawk. Good old mockingbird, huh? Keeping it away from my backyard.